This is our third annual Pedal with Petals community bike ride for Tysons. Really a part of the strategy here, in addition, of course, always to bringing community together, is to show off how quickly the bike and walking infrastructure in Tysons is growing and changing and becoming more robust. The county's been investing a lot, for example, in the Vesper Trail. As that reopens, we hope to be able to bring more attention to that, more riders to that in future years. The first year there was just one route. Last year we split it into a family ride, 2 miles and 4. And this year we have introduced the 9-mile ride. For this and all of our programming, we're growing with the community.
This is an opportunity for folks that like to bike to come out to see some new parts around Tysons and explore some of these trails and bike routes that maybe they haven't seen before. It's important to have the communities surrounding places like Tysons be involved in community building activities, because we're all connected. You know, these trails connect in and out of Tysons. The Vesper Trail is an important link to the metro station and to some of the employers and restaurants in that part of Tysons. And folks that live right around here, you wouldn't necessarily know it, but you have really quick access by bicycle especially, but also by foot. And that's something we really encourage, is getting around without getting in your car, and that's becoming more and more possible these days.
TCA has been putting this on for a few years, and I just think there are a lot of opportunities for kids and for adults to have a fun bike ride that's accessible at any level of bicycling.
We really hope that anybody who's joining us today, or maybe learning about this event, will visit tysonsva.org and especially spend some time on our events page.